Alright. Now, we have worked. Tried to make the blade tolerance here a little better. But I have come up with my next feat of the bushing down here in the bottom. Right there. That this whole housing wasn't welded in the center. So when we made our new bushing that had the nice tight tolerances for down here, it made it too tight on one side. So, see how I got a gap over here? Tight bushings are good, but only when you put a round part in a round hole. So we fought to get that better. We moved this around a couple of times, trying to see if offsetting it left or right or pushing the generator downstairs made it a little better, but did not. So now the water level has receded. You can see the water is, oh geez, way down there. We gotta have about 2 feet below the speed ring. Way easier to work in here today than it has been. So now we're gonna dry this bottom ring off, silicone it up, bolt it down right in the sweet spot, and then move on to slowly turning the shaft and push a little bit of that plastic bushing out of the back side so we can get the blades centered up in the speed ring. I am wondering, how do you know what your perfect height is for between the top of the speed ring, that right there, and the blade? Where in that bell is the perfect spot to set these blades? Looked around on the internet a little bit, haven't been able to find exactly what I'm looking for. But staying nice and dry down in here. Still got the sump pumps just in case. We are leaking a little bit of water still around this door. The gasket's just weeping a little tiny bit. But nothing we can't work with. Way better than 2 weeks ago there.